Hey everyone, welcome back to Draw with Ishan. In today's tutorial, we're going to draw the one and only Goku Black from Dragon Ball Super. I'll take you through the entire drawing step by step from the basic construction, sketch and facial features to the hair, clothing, hands, and final pencil shading. So grab your pencil, paper, and eraser, and let's start drawing. Let's get into it.
Stuck in a prison of doubt, in this torsion, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching it. Shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way. Fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this torsion. Don't know if I can find my way out. In this and everything is growing up tight.
And there we have it. Our Goku Black pencil drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed following along and that this tutorial helped you improve your anime drawing skills. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Draw with Ishan, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next drawing tutorial. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep drawing.
I'm reaching out, I'm